Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Rebel with William O'Neill India, dated May 15, 2024. So before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership, Basel, and certification on ISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investor. Investment security market subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Let's start with Nifty chart analysis. So as you know, post the decline that Nifty had after making a new high, it found support near the 100 DMA, that is the pink line. And not yesterday's session, but Monday session, we saw a good reversal. Nifty breached its 100 DMA, but found support in the latter half of the day. And there was some good buying in the fag end, and Nifty closed above the 100 DMA. Even yesterday, it had it had a flattish opening, but after that, it moved higher and higher, and it found resistance near the red line. The red line is the 50 DMA. So at this moment, the 21 DMA and the 50 DMA is pretty clustered at this moment, and Nifty found resistance near there during the end of the trading session, and I mean, it didn't able to move higher above the 50 DMA. It found resistance and it moved slightly lower and closed below the 50 DMA. The distribution day count is comfortable, but at the moment three. And we are currently in an uptrend under pressure. Why? Because Nifty had breached most of its key moving averages. So going forward, the only way from going from uptrend under pressure to a confirmed uptrend is when it reclaims its recent high. When Nifty will move above its recent high, then it will go from uptrend under pressure, confirmed uptrend. On the flip side, if again the key moving averages like your 100 DMA gets breached or more distribution day gets added, or even on the weekly front, certain key moving averages gets breached, then Nifty will go from uptrend under pressure to a downtrend. On the news front, the big results were the Bharti Airtel, Q4 FY24 revenue increased 4.4% YY to 37,599 crores, which was slightly below estimates. Profit declined 31.1% YY 2072 crores. Board recommended a dividend of rupees 8 per share. Shree Cement's Q4 FY24 revenue was up 7% YY to 5433 crores. Profit increased 21% YY to 662 crores. Board declared a final dividend of rupees 55 per share. FI yesterday net sold Indian equities was rupees 4065.52 crores. DI bought net equities was rupees 3527.9 crores. US April PPI came in at 2.2% YOY against an estimate of 2.2%. If we talk about today's result, LIC Housing Finance is the big result for today, along with Power Finance, Clean Science, Jindal Stainless, Dixon Technologies, Mankind Pharma, Granules India, NLC India, and others. Talking about global market update, all the three US indices, equity indices closed higher. Dow Jones closed higher by 0.3%, S&P 500 by 0.5%, and Nasdaq by 0.8%. On the Asian market front, barring Shanghai, the other two indices are trading higher. Shanghai is trading lower by 0.4%. Nikkei is trading higher by 0.4%, and Kospi is trading higher by 0.1%. If Nifty is indicating a higher opening, yesterday's close around 22,270, around 220 levels kind of. So it is indicating a more or less 100 points higher opening. The thing that needs to be watched out is that there is positive momentum from the US market and the Asian market as well. But I mean, considering the volatility the Indian market is facing on account of the general election results and on the technical front as well, it is currently trading below some of the key moving averages. So it will be Good to see if Nifty is able to break out from these resistances and able to sustain over these resistance in the coming time frame or not. Talking about the chart of the chart of the day for us is Bajaj Auto. As you can see, the stock is forming a flat base at this moment. Overall, the ratings for the stock is very good. EPS rating of 79, master score of 71, price strength of 83, and buyer demand of B plus. Uh, Going forward, even the 25 estimates looks good. On a higher base, still the company is getting increased amount of fund holding, which is also good. Last 4 to 5 quarter results have been very good for the stock. On the right-hand side, you can see the RS line is moving higher, which is a good sign. And even there is some signs of accumulation, and it is currently trading above most of its key moving averages, and the stock is just 3% to pivot. Uh, Stage 3 flat base, as you can see, and going forward, if the stock is able to break out and is able to sustain in the 0 to 5% zone and is able to break out successfully on above average volume, it can be a good stock to watch out. Why? Because there is a good prior uptrend as well. Last time when the stock broke out, uh, after finding support at the 21 DMA, there was a good rally, as you can see, from around 5,000 levels. It moved to 9,400 level, almost double from the last breakout. So even this breakout, there can be a good expectation that the stock can rally if market remains supportive as well. So going forward, if the stock is able to break out, then it can be a definitely a good stock to watch out for. So thank you, and that's it from our side. And stay tuned to the space of Rebel with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp.